Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome for coming into the clan. I'm Angelica. I've been an online yoga teacher for 5 years. Prior to that, I owned 3 yoga studios in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And now I teach yoga teachers how to have the dream life that I had by teaching yoga online. Well, I guess I still have it. I'm here teaching yoga online. It's pretty amazing. Okay, you ready to roll? In today's video, I'm going to give you practical tips for teaching yoga online, what gear to use as an online yoga teacher, and how to get started teaching yoga online. Make sure that you stay until the end of the video because I'm going to share things with you the other creators will not. Things that people like to gatekeep inside of their courses. But I want you to succeed first and join my courses only if they're right for you. So today I'm giving you my favorite real yoga teacher tips for teaching yoga online, even if you're starting with nothing but your phone and a dream. And let me tell you something right up front. You don't need fancy lighting, a $2,000 camera setup, or a website that looks like it was made by the world's top graphic designer. You just need to start, friends. I'm going to walk you through exactly what gear I use now, plus I'll drop the link in the description to my full list of gear. But if you only take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Starting is more important than being perfect. Done is always more profitable than perfect. So many yoga teachers are sitting on powerful, healing, life-changing teachings, but they're frozen because they think their video quality isn't good enough, or they need a logo, or they need a better voice, or a better body, or a microphone. No, listen. Before we begin, let's do this. If you want to claim your power as a wealthy yoga teacher, live in your dream, helping the people you're meant to, then hit the subscribe button like the manifesting mofo that you are. And let's get to my goal of 10,000 yoga teachers subscribed to this channel or podcast if you're listening that way. Smashing that subscribe button says to the universe, I'm not playing small anymore. I'm ready to step into my own as a yoga teacher and get all the blessings that I deserve. All right, friends, let's talk tech, but keep it super simple. You already have most of what you need to get started teaching yoga online. Your phone, that's your camera. Don't overthink it. Most smartphones from the last 5 years shoot in 1080p or even 4K. You don't need to rent a studio. Clean the lens before you start, please. Flip it to landscape mode for YouTube or for Reels and TikToks like this, and you're ready to go. Get yourself a collapsible tripod for $30 that you can take anywhere. Then just hit record. My first online yoga class that made me money, yes, actual dollars, was filmed inside of my camper with my iPhone and a lavalier mic that I bought for $19.95, clipped to my sports bra. I opened a window for natural light and I called it done. That video helped me book a client. That client helped me build my $250,000 online yoga business. So don't wait for better. Start now. Okay, next, let's talk about the $20 mic because this is the one thing I do want you to buy. If you buy nothing else from this video, please buy a lavalier microphone. It makes that much of a difference. You could be shooting in the dark in a messy room, but if your audio is clean and easy to hear, people will stay. But the opposite is also true. You could have a beautiful video, flowing music, and the perfect candlelit studio, but your audio sounds like you're underwater or too far away. They're going to click away in 5 seconds. People will forgive visual flaws. They won't forgive bad sound. That's just how we're wired. We're listening for connection. So get a lavalier mic. The one I use is in the link in the description. Plug it into your phone, clip it in the middle of your shirt so that you don't hit it in sun salutations and you're good to go. Okay. Now we go over all this inside of my Empowered Yoga Teachers course too. So if you want help with setup, gear, lighting, or audio troubleshooting, we got you covered, editing, whatever, step by step. You can connect with me about the Empowered Yoga Teachers course at the link in the description below. All right, let's talk lighting. This trips up a lot of people, but it's actually the easiest fix of all. You don't need a ring light, okay? Because they don't reach far enough for yoga videos. What you need is a window. Start your camera facing with you and make sure your face and your body are lit from the front. Never backlight yourself. I see so many teachers with a beautiful window behind them, but it turns them into a silhouette. Okay, so your students need to see your expressions, your cues, your demonstrations. So face the light, see the light. Don't hide from it. You want to know a little secret? I filmed my first 50 videos with no lighting gear whatsoever, just daylight and cheap blackout curtains that I moved around my camper to control exposure. I was living full time in my camper, and that's why I started online. My most popular video of all time was filmed sitting on the floor of an RV. I'm going to link it in the description below. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's talk about what kind of yoga content you should film. So many teachers think they need to recreate a 60 or 90-minute studio class online. That's a mistake. When you're starting out, shorter is better. Think 5 to 15 minutes. Think focused, pose breakdowns, tutorials, mini flows, breath work, quick meditations, yoga for tight hips, sun salutations for total beginners, 3-minute breath reset before bed. These perform way better than 60-minute slow flow body for the full body. When you're listening to your audience, they're going to tell you what they want. It's easier, it's faster to get it out to the world when you go short. And guess what? People love that short stuff. They're way more likely to pay you for your longer offerings. We walk through this entire process inside the Empowered Yoga Teachers course, where I literally give you templates and filming outlines for your content plan. I'm going to hold your hand. You're not going to be guessing anymore. You can get the info for that in the description below. Okay, now, here's another myth that's holding you back. Thinking you have to be professional. Let me tell you something. Connection beats perfection every single time. You don't need to memorize a script, whisper into the microphone, or pretend to be some enlightened robot. You can be yourself. You can be real. You can trip over your words. You can let your dog bark in the background. You can smile awkwardly at the camera and say, okay, where was I? Just like in real life. That's what makes people love you. That's what makes them trust you. That's what makes them buy from you. The people who are winning online like me are the ones who are just being fully themselves, not the ones trying to be perfect. I ain't got no time for that. I'm 50. Let's touch on space. I get this all the time. Do I need a beautiful branded yoga studio to teach online? No, we don't even have baseboards yet. We haven't even finished this floor. You don't need that. You need a quiet space that's not distracting. That's it. Move the laundry, light the candle, sweep the floor, done. You don't need matching props, trendy plants, or 5 tapestries and a salt lamp. A basic background with soft lighting is more than enough. Now, bonus tip, film vertically if you're teaching on Instagram or TikTok, but for longer, you want to choose horizontal. That way you don't have the black bars of death. YouTube this way, Instagram, TikTok this way. All right, so pro tip, get a tripod. We actually show you how to frame your shots and test your angles inside the Empowered Yoga Teachers course so you look great right out the gate. If you're somebody who's stuck because you feel awkward on camera, here's what I want you to do, okay? Film yourself every day for the next 7 days. Don't post them, just film. Talk for 2 to 3 minutes. Say what's on your mind. Talk about your yoga journey. Talk about your doggo. Talk about coffee, whatever. Just film yourself. Watch the videos back, and you're going to notice something magical. You'll get used to your own voice. You're going to stop judging your face. You'll get more relaxed. You'll find your rhythm. Friends, it happens faster than you think. Inside of my course, we actually have a whole training that makes this super easy. You're not alone with this. I will hold your hand. Let's say you've been filming with your phone for a while and you're ready to up. Okay, so here's what I would do in this order. Now, first, get a good attitude. Second, get a wireless mic. Third, a simple editing app like CapCut. That's what I use. It's free on the phone, and there's lots of YouTube tutorials, but iMovie's good too. And finally, if you're really getting into it, maybe a phone gimbal or an upgraded tripod for some more movement. All these are listed in the link below at my gear list. So don't waste money on stuff you don't need, okay? Just get it done. Now let me say this loud for the yoga teacher in the back. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're not too old. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to wait for your logo or your new certification. You just need to start. Done is always more profitable than perfect. Progress is better than potential. You cannot make money from the videos that are still in your head. Get them out there. Share them. Teach from your heart. And let the right students find you. This is exactly what we do inside of the Empowered Yoga Teachers course. We aren't going to just teach you how to film. We're going to teach you how to have a life that you love, honestly. We're going to walk you through how to turn your videos into a full online yoga business, one that gives you freedom, impact, and income without burning you out. So if you're ready to step up and actually make money as a yoga teacher online, if you're tired of hustling for studio scraps and you want a real, sustainable, powerful business that you own, where your gifts are fully seen, go to the link below and book a dream discussion with us. We're going to talk about what you want, what's holding you back, why you haven't done it yet, and whether this is the course for you and your next steps. And whether you join or not, I want you to promise me this. Okay, hold my hand. You will stop letting fear run the show. You'll take action. You'll hit record. You'll put your wisdom into the world where it belongs. You were never meant to hide. You were meant to heal and lead. You were meant to teach in a way that lights you up. Not just your students. You wouldn't be here if I wasn't meant to say that to you. So go get your phone, clip on your mic, take a breath, hit record. I believe in you. Make sure that you subscribe so I see you in the next video. And thank you. I truly appreciate you. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. 5 stars on the podcast. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.